In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use qBittorrent software to download any torrent file by using this software. I'm not going to show you how to install this. If you want to know how to install on Mac, you can check my channel video. There is a video how to install this. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this on. So at first we need to open this qBittorrent software. You can directly click this spotlight search and start typing qBittorrent, and then you will find that qBittorrent software is there, and then you can open in this way. Once it is open, it will be looking like that. Now let's see how we can use this thing. There are different ways to use this, but the easiest option is we just need to download the torrent file and open the torrent file with this software. Or there is another way to use. I will show you that. So let's go there first. So I'm accessing one of the popular operating system, which is called Linux Mint, and it has a torrent link to download. I'm going to click here to start downloading this torrent file, and it is asking whether I'm sure to download it or not. I'm going to download. That's why I'm going to press the allow button. Once I press the allow button, if we access the downloads folder, I'm going to minimize this thing, and downloads folder, we'll see inside this downloads folder this torrent file is there. Now to open this torrent using this like qBittorrent software, what you need to do, you just need to right click, and then it will bring these menus. From here we have to choose open with, and then you have to choose qBittorrent, and very shortly it will bring this window. It is asking where the torrent file will be downloaded. We can choose the location, or the default location is fine for my case. Then just press OK button, and very shortly you will see the torrent started downloading, and this is the software. It is 2.77 gigabyte, and it's downloading like that. So I'm not going to download this thing. I'm going to stop it, and then I'm going to remove this thing first. I'm going to remove this. It will be removed. Remove. Also remove the content files. It will remove everything. I'm going to remove it. So that is the one way we can download torrent file using this qBittorrent. Now there is another easy way also. We can directly go to Safari again, and this is the torrent file link, right? So what you need to do, we can right click here and we can copy link. That means there is a torrent link. We can copy this link. Now we can minimize this thing. Now we have the copy torrent link. So on the qBittorrent, on the left side of this menu bar, we have couple of options are there. The first one is the link. There is a like rectangle, rounded rectangle, and then there is a minus, something like that. We can click here, and very shortly we'll see that torrent link is copied like directly like this way. Now what we need to do, we need to press this download button, and very shortly it will open the same type of window. It is asking where I want to download. The default download location is fine for me, but if you want to change, you can do that. Now press the OK button, and very shortly you will see that the torrent file is started downloading, and it has 2.77 gigabyte, and this is the progress bar. It has the status downloading, and CDR and PR number, CDR PR, download speed, and so many things. And that's it. In this way you can easily download torrent file by using qBittorrent.